I think they would love to attend Day at the Capitol. You get to meet your legislature, you get to educate them on topics that are important to you, and you can change things.
I would say that at any time we face legislation that could affect our ability to be busy in the future, right? And so if you don't spend that time, then you could end up, I guess I don't want to call it being a victim, but in the end, something could happen that could greatly affect you that you have no say in if you don't take the time to get involved. And what I love about the Day at the Capitol is there's no better way to go there and meet everybody at one time that's interested in meeting you versus having to seek out those relationships one-on-one.
I heard all this hubbub. It's been going on for a few years. It was my chance to get in there and really see what was it about. And what a great opportunity, just to witness all of these people together. We're coming together as an insurance industry. We're fighting the same fights, and we are coming with knowledge and experience. And it was just a wonderful experience. I was glad I could be there, and I've attended every year since my first time.
It's just actually fun for me to find out what the legislature is up to that could have an effect on us every day.
Absolutely. It's a good time. It's a way to live one of our corporate values, which is to have fun. And it's actually still work. You are meeting lots of other insurance people. You're intermingling with people within your own business units and offices that you don't get to see all the time. So it's just a great way to get out and do something a little bit different, but still insurance related.
Well, actually, you hit it right on the head. We are citizens, and that should be primary in how we look at how our legislature works. And there are also numerous issues involved with insurance that do affect how we do our jobs.
The first reason I wanted to go is that we had an opportunity to meet our representative, and since meeting her, I've actually run into her at the store a couple times, which is fun. But then I also went and realized that insurance and the law are very similar and closely related. I was surprised at how many aspects of insurance that I deal with are directly affected by bills and laws that get passed every day down at the Capitol, and it was amazing to see that in action.
Oh, absolutely. There's no experience like it. It's a very unique experience. You can't get it anywhere else. And especially in our industry, we have a very specific type of industry. We have very specific type of issues. We are resources. We have a lot of experience that we need to share with these people so that they get a full picture of what they're voting on and the ramifications of what they're voting on.
I think a lot of times people sit back in society and you give your feedback on things that need to change and why things aren't good, and you blame everyone else. And I thought, you know what, instead of sitting on the sidelines, it's time to take some responsibility and take that initiative and not complain about the change, but actually play an important role in making a change and helping people understand insurance. I think is one of those subjects that's hardest to understand, especially for people that have never dealt with it. So I think it's our job to associate ourselves as individuals and have that connotation with insurance, not just it's a large business. It's people that care about the welfare of our policyholders.